The road ahead of me looks sunny and bright, but look on the west side. The dust storm is coming from the west. It is just rising up, and I'm heading towards the city, Kuwait city. The dust is coming. The dust storm, horrible dust storm, is covering Kuwait like anything. Look at this, my goodness. A second dust storm in Kuwait within a week, and this looks to be very horrible. Look at this. It's just rising up. Can't believe this. Kuwait has money, the oil, and all the comforts of the world, but it also has this kind of dust. Goodness me. It's just 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and look at this. It was so sunny and bright all throughout the day. It was so hot, and the dust has come up like anything. It has covered the atmosphere. 23rd of May 2022, a dust storm in Kuwait within 1 week. Last week it was so horrible, and again this looks to be some red color dust. Doesn't seem to be from Kuwait. It is just 3 o'clock, but you can hardly see 5 to 10 meters ahead. I put my hazards. Oh my God, it's so dark and reddish. I'm just following that suburban car, Chevrolet. Looks to be terrible. In 2011 there was a dust storm, but not as terrible as this. This has covered the whole of the atmosphere. Can't see the road ahead. I'm just following the Chevrolet in front of me. Oh my God, look at this. Ahead of me seems to be driving crooked. Wonder why. Right. People are rushing to avoid the accidents. Such a terrible dust storm in Kuwait. 23rd of May 2022, 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
At the same time,
there's a weather warning on the radio as well.
These roads, you have to be very careful with sand, drip, and also moving sand.
Gasper Crasto, Kuwait. This is the most dangerous intersection on the 5th Ring Road going towards Sarnia, place where I live.
Drinking
accident on the head.
Good afternoon. This is the 3 o'clock news bulletin. I'm Nadia Ali. Starting with local news, the Emiri Diwan announced that the final match of His Highness the Emir Football Cup, which was to be held later today, has been delayed due to the current weather conditions. The Emiri Diwan said in a statement that due to the weather conditions and out of the keenness for the safety of the players and spectators, it has been decided to delay today's final match of His Highness the Emir Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah Football Cup between Konknni and Al Salmiya clubs. Kuwait's Interior Ministry called today on road users to exercise caution due to dusty weather and strong wind causing low visibility in some areas.